Hi, I'm Larry Wilske. I'm running for Congress. We're going to discuss health care. And there's a lot of arguments going on about health care right now, and they're justified, folks. Let's face it, the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, is the biggest legislative job killer in history. It's created more debt than any legislation in history, and it's got more people without health care than before it was even written. See, originally they were saying, what about folks that wanted to change insurance with a pre-existing condition? Okay, we can take care of them. People that don't want or can't afford insurance, you know what? We can take care of them as well. And the math comes out pretty simple. That very small percentage of society would cost the federal government around $140 to $150 million a year, well within the budget that we can afford, not trillions. And ladies and gentlemen, this Obamacare disaster is killing people. It caused the shakeup in the VA. It's taken military people like myself, I'm a retired military man, and it's taken our TRICARE copay and raised it 600%. It's taken health care out of your hands and put it into the hands of bureaucrats. We need your health care to be your #1 priority, supported by the government, not dictated by the government. Let's stop the big lie that you can keep your doctor. Let's stop the big lie of if you like your insurance, you can keep it. See, folks, the Affordable Care Act was written in a vacuum. In fact, the vast majority of people in Congress passed it without ever even reading it. Now that they've opened it up, they found out it's laid with mistakes. It's got problem after problem, and it just can't be fixed. It's time we got rid of that and replaced it with something that works for you, that takes care of your health care needs, and allows you to be in the driver's seat, not the bureaucratic federal government. Obamacare, as it is today, is the #1 job killer in the country. In the 53rd District, it's wiped out jobs. Small businesses are the mainstay of production in our district. And there's no jobs to be had. Why? Because it's just too expensive to hire anyone. When you dictate what somebody else has to pay for their health care and then tell them what care they get, well, besides being unfair, it's not economically sound, and it puts small business owners in a corner they can't get out of. Let's support small business growth and development. Let's support our citizenry. Let's take care of health care. Get rid of the Affordable Care Act and replace it with something clean, sound, and affordable. Thank you.